For the next demonstration, we're going to need a data file containing some numbers. We'll write a sequence of numbers called recommend sequence to a text file, with one number per line. Recommend sequence itself isn't important to this exercise, we just need a way of generating numeric data, so we won't be explaining the sequence generator. Feel free to experiment though. The module contains a generator for yielding the recommend numbers and a function which writes the start of the sequence to a file using the writelines method. A generator expression is used to convert each number to a string and add a new line. itertools islice is used to truncate the otherwise infinite sequence. We'll write the first 1000 recommend numbers to a file by executing the module, passing the file name and series length as command line arguments. Now let's make a complementary module, series.py, which reads this data file back in. This simply uses a for loop to iterate over the file, reading one line at a time, and strips the new line with a call to the strip string method, and converts it to an integer. Running it from the command line, everything works as expected. Now let's deliberately create an exceptional situation. Open recommend.dat in a text editor and replace one of the numbers with something that isn't a stringified integer. Save the data file and rerun series.py. The int constructor raises a value error which is unhandled, so the program terminates with a stack trace. One problem here is that our f.close call was never executed. To fix that, we can insert a try finally block. Now the file will always be closed. Doing so opens up the opportunity for another refactoring. We can replace the for loop with a list comprehension and return the list directly. Even in this situation, close will be called. The finally block is called, however the try block is exited.